When you watch a review by Showtime and Joysticks, you're watching someone that you can count on for the important things, such as presentable clothing.
Oh yeah.
Good mood lighting that really complements the review.
Alexa, set studio to green. Alexa, set studio to purple.
Expertly curated hat choices. And of course, quality criticisms and feedback.
Weird. Director wasn't really directing. This is good stuff. People are gonna love this.
So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to Showtime and Joysticks for all your movie reviews.